Hi everyone, today's lesson is about the measures of variation. So let's consider an example for this simple data set. For example, we have 19, 18, 20, 25, 24, 21 and 20. Let's get started with the first measure of variation, which is the range. The range is the largest value minus the smallest one, the smallest value. In our case here, the range is equal to our largest value here is 25. So here 25 minus the smallest one, which is 18. So here the range, our range equals 7. This is the first measure of variation. So the second measures of variation is called the standard deviation. And standard deviation is given by the following formula. It is denoted by S. S equals to the square root of the sum of the sample values minus the sample mean squared divided by n minus 1. So here the step 1 is to calculate the sample mean. The sample mean is equal to the sum of xi divided by n. So here 19 plus 18 plus 20 plus 25 plus 24 plus 21 plus 20, all these values, the sum of all these values divided by 7. So here x bar equals to 147 divided by 7. So here our sample mean x bar equals to 21. This is the first step. The second step here is to calculate xi minus x bar squared. Let's create this table which illustrate all these data. So we have xi, we have x bar, we have xi minus x bar, and finally the fourth column is xi minus x bar squared. So let's write down our data set. We have 19, 18, 20, 25, 24, 21, and finally 20. X bar, all we have x bar equals to 21. So here xi minus x bar, 19 minus 21, negative 2, 18 minus 21, negative 3, 20 minus 21, negative 1, and so on and so forth. We have 4, we have 3, we have here 0, and here we have minus 1. So negative 2 squared is 4, negative 3 squared is 9, 1, 16, 9, 0, and finally 1. So the sum of all these numbers is 14. So here our standard deviation is equals to root square of, we have here the sum of xi minus x bar squared equal to 40. So 40 divided by 7 minus 1, so is the root square of 40 divided by 6 is the root square of 6.66. So here our standard deviation is equal to 2.68. This is our standard deviation. So the third type of measures of variation is the variance. It is quite simple to calculate the variance. The variance is the standard deviation squared. So here the variance is square root of 6.66 squared. So here our variance equals to 6.66. This is variance, our variance. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.